Kashnong Mawlyndep kabadan Haribo district ketika woi nagi shnong kabalayo ya kajing itu kum ka model village ya kabala itu daga sorkar India ban penlong kum ka woi nagi shnong ban penyo ya shibun kajing mentoy lengba ke skim sorkar baper Kashnong Mawlyndep ha kajing ilam jong orang ba shnong uba jino kharbuki kalaile shitom ban penyo ya ke skim sorkar ha ki babon kiliang lagadi nag sorkar jela lani nag sorkar padang Kawai ni kikam balawan ra hak Kashnong Mawlyndep kadi kijing ay ki work order jong ka Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana lani ka PMAY sya kinong yo jong mentoy hapok ni Kashnong Mawlyndep kabadang hap hapok omsting sianar di blok Haribo district lengba ka Sansad Adash Gram Yojana hak bayi kita ki work order lasam daw menteri rang ba ka jelau konrat ke sangma balawan poi hak ni ka sngi kum kongsan hak jing ilang bala penlong haying dorbar jong Kashnong Mawlyndep haba ajeng kran hak ti ka sngi menteri rang ba ka jelau laong Bang sorkar kala persangkat bala ban penyiar ban penmi ya ki program ki barit bat ki bahe rukum jo hagi kerdan baper ban wanra ya roy ke par ka basalan sari ki pejba jong ajala bro gawai Menteri ramba aulong baga thong jong sorkar ka de ya Tylli ki benta ki bakongsan ki bagutup kum ka jing aying ya baro ka jing penbiang ya ka boarding electric ya baro ka jing Shna ya ki surok ban penyaso ya ki shnong ki thau ka jing penbiang ya ka umbam umdi ya baro bat ka jing penbiang ya ka mobile network Ula pentip ba kumba silak laipo hajar Tylli kilong ying kinyo ya kejing mentoy ban Shna yang Baduk kabakot kumba 1000 nyos pa klur tengka on sabha ban penshana lengba ka mang tengka jong no snem ban pentikna babun kibriu kinyo jing mentoy bat ula gentu ya ki nong yo jing mentoy ru bakiri ban pendon kam hok ya ketika pisa kumba la baha syaki dag bong ru bakirang ba shnong u video project director kidun kam ban pensung thu ye ki ba bat ke nong yo jing mentoy bakin pendon kam hok ye ketika pisa na ka benta ka kam ka bladep ban baha ula pen pauru ye ki wepat ki project ki bala pen kre na benta ka Kashnong Mawlyndep bat ki shnong ki pamarjan kiladon hadu khandai po nyongut ki nong yo jing mentoy na Kashnong Mawlyndep ki bayo ya kene ko ordar ha kene kasngi
We did that. We had a meeting with CNRD or the Rural Development Ministry Government of India, and I laid down this target in front of them, and the Government of India was very happy to see the kind of vision and the mission that we had, and I'm happy to inform you that while we have roughly about 95 beneficiaries for PMAY this year in total for this village. We will be having total of 1,30,000 houses to be constructed and sanctioned this year itself. And so this is the highest. Normally we only do 15,000 to 20,000 houses in a year, 25,000 at the max. This year we have been sanctioned 1,30,000 houses. Just to give you an idea of what that means, that's about 1,700 crores of money will be spent within this financial year to ensure that at maximum number of houses and beneficiaries get. So this is a mission mode program we're going for, and I'm happy that we are here today to launch this program here. My only suggestion and my only request to everybody is that in order to be able to successfully implement this project, we must get the public's full support. So our Rangvashnongs will have a very important role to play because the money goes into the beneficiary's account. You have to use the money. And if you do not use the money in the proper manner, then your house will not be complete, you will not get second installments, and that will become a major problem for all of you and all of us. So therefore I urge that whoever the beneficiaries are, whether it's the PD, whether it's the block development officer, whether it's the Rangvashnong, we all have to sensitize our public to make sure that the money that is spent in a very, very good and a proper manner. That is the first part of today's program. But at the same time, I would like to tell you that it's always a pleasure to come back to your village. It is one of the most beautiful areas in the state and most scenic places in the state, and it's always a pleasure to be here. And I would like to thank Dr. Khanduki, our MP, for having selected this village as the model village under his list, and because of the efforts and the vision that he has and the passion that he has to ensure that he makes this into a proper model village. Many things are today happening, and because of his intervention, I'm here for the second or third time now to this village. But I was just talking to him about a few minutes back, and I was asking him that what time he reached. So he told me, I'm here since 7 o'clock in the morning. So I said, what were you doing from 7 o'clock in the morning? He said, oh, I was fishing down there. I said, I hate the fish. Then he said, this is my model village, I can do what I want. So, which you built was a model for another 10 that I built throughout the state. And we will continue to build this kind of a community hall wherever we can, because it makes complete sense. This is more modern that we can have. My only request would be that we should maintain it well. That's very important. And whatever little support may require to maintain things, we can work it out. But I think maintenance of it is very, very important. I'm sure you are maintaining it, but I just mentioned it as a comment.
I did not pick the village myself. I sit with the Chief Minister, and of course he allowed me the privilege to pick up Kasita Hills. For the Carol Hills is as my choice. So we will have to help Minister to see that they also, it is running in full swing here. They, as not enough, we don't know what we need. Scheme jong fi bai ba. Kaba kadai kaji kwa jong Prime Minister beri kaji kala ha ki nonggendong jongi kibaran agak dikasih jongi. But kat mengilang dan perlong eka ke model village kenang ba kiwei ki Shna kini i pak kumjoro matrai sir. I would express to you, sir, well, if this is successful, then I think you and all your MLAs and ministers, we should have some amount of money to have model village in that constituency. But of course, it's quite difficult also, because since you are elected, then if you give one village, other village will think otherwise. But at least we are nominated by you, so I have no problem. Kene jadi persiang, kaba di persiang kum kinong nikmat bani i ba jadi terekam kejongi kum no gila kon marah jadi kena. Dia community go play try kena untuk nekat bani. Bagi kalau ngimut ditemu kaya baik untuk dulu juga.
Mentah kasni kita ki kendai ko nyau yeng kio ka sertifikat ka garanti banong bang ki kunjonga kin like na kasni bat usla. Andang ilayo ka caka ban ri ban syong ban hikai ki kun kiti ngila supat ban yakran kumno ngin kamai kaji kumno ngin rep ban besar tiap. Bunangi ilong ki Baduk kamay sanspa sisngi Mariawan na lumpang ukun dalik sim dawai ka bil praspa lasaram kata ka subject panigran banong ngakwa ka ying nakabantaki kun kiti kalong ka ba sisya ng tao Baduk tiling ba ka ka scheme PMAY mensua ka di IAY menta ka di PMAY kalong ka jikirsan ya kipay ba tengah gua aban ai keburong ya MP jongi Dr. Karluki kami galea ka dontang uwe UMP siapo Raja Sabah kami galea baro ka uwe ka don riu hajar praspa Tylli kisnong plus mo larangi kentang apo Riboy district ngidon kuman riu spa riu po ar Tylli kisnong riu spa riu po ar tumudur mo ki ijit banong ba ha Mawlyndep nganwan ai ka skim jonga ngin pelong model ya ka Shna Mawlyndep tepi ki basang Mawlyndep kilong ki badon bok balik udon urang ba uba kloi ban penkeladur ya ka Shna kamdai tang ka jingsa kan mau kadai ka jingkela ka banwan ka jingim ka jongi
Askwa ko naman yung fikir yan. Abang idon hanya Shna Mawlyndep. Marangai iya di pol di Musya kalong kuno ba pipi pa ba di kalong kuno. Askwa ko kenal yung fikir yan. Ba nado bi adopt honorable MP ya kene kadong kathan na try di lawan kaga ka jingkel kush ko sisa ni yang hangne ro kane ko hol try kane ka mo ka contribution na kalang MP pat katu katne god ki valuation par habala de Shna ya kane ka community hall kade sisa kata community hall kabangi shimni kata ka role model mo gi shimni kane ka structure jo kane bang implement kelek soda te long ka ek jing sarong namta Krishna Mawlyndep ki makin aksong Shna napo Shna Mawlyndep ki thawi kane ka yeng dorbar bolong kum de bagi sa copy isa pun bot plus ki Krishna but long ka ek jing sarong se te gangai bata jung MP bi adopt ke kane ka village umde ta kane yeng dorbar ilayara stage po umnyor yeng dorbar ilayara po umber kidan ki initiative namto ki bioflock ki medan hanne try na do bakawan kami ke sarkar jingam konat ke sama honorable CM jongi layo ay kami surok ro wala kami ke surok kanang long kumne nga try na riyak sa sa nay bahan maka support mas na ay bahan tingba ngaday kamay ki sa ko ay kalong kay jingam ku sa shisin na manda kani ke Shna Mawlyndep am te kanno mo na prejo phi te ka kani ba nilayo am de ta sanction na da khot tender stamban a lot no yakam napo ka tourism department Krishna kata ka tourist resort jongla de kidep amau kalong ba life hope glor hado kuma life hope glor ka jing yo jing mento jong de ka jing mento jong pi ki nang sham sham ve badan